Good morning, fam. You didn't just wake up, you chose to reset. If you've been feeling off balance, clumsy, or stiff, this isn't random. Your nervous system's still asleep. In the next 5 minutes, we're syncing your joints, firing up your stabilizers, and switching your brain online. This flow sets the tone for how you move and how sharp you stay. Let's hit the mat. Your glutes are more than a muscle. They are a control center for balance, posture, and pain prevention. Most people skip activating them, and that's when injury sneaks in. Calm tall fours, keep your core tight. Lift your right leg out to the side. Knee bent at 90 degrees and lower with control. Stay steady, no wobbling. You'll feel a gentle burn in the glute, like you're waking up a sleepy giant. Here's a surprising fact. Dormant glutes can cause knee pain and lower back strain without you even realizing it. Lift that leg 1 inch higher. Can you pause at the top? Do you feel that fire yet? If not, you might be shifting too much weight into your hands. Lock in your core. That just activated your glutes. Next, let's fire up the engine that holds it all together, your core. This isn't just a silly name. This move reteaches your brain how to stabilize your spine. Lie on your back, arms straight up, knees bent at 90 degrees. Extend your right leg and left arm out without letting your back arch. Return and switch sides. You'll feel your deep core tightening like a belt around your waist. I promise if you commit to this now, your back will thank you later. We'll be testing this core control in a more dynamic way in just a moment, so stay locked in. Can you move slower without shaking? Do you feel your rib cage trying to flare? Press it down. And just reset your core. Now let's test your control with movement in a way that will challenge your coordination. Bird dog teaches your body how to move one side without disrupting the other. Key for everything from walking to lifting. On hands and knees, extend your right arm and left leg. Keep your hips square. Squeeze your glutes and reach long. You'll feel a line of energy from fingertips to heel. Your core doing the heavy lifting. Tap elbow to knee underneath, then extend again. Don't rush. Do you feel your hips shifting side to side? If yes, you found your work zone. Stabilize more. Now that you've engaged your base, we're going to put your full body into motion and unlock the spine with one of my favorite functional flows. This one move checks all the boxes: hips, spine, shoulders, and core. But don't blink. You'll want to catch the twist. Squat down deep. Place one hand on the floor. Rotate the opposite arm to the sky. Open the chest and breathe. Return to center and switch sides. You'll feel your spine lengthening and twisting, hips opening and chest rising. This twist improves thoracic mobility, which will make even the last move feel 10 times more effective. Sink 1 inch lower into your squat each time. Do you feel the spiral from the base of your spine? If not, slow it down and exhale on the twist. That just woke up every major joint. Let's finish by lengthening it all from the base of your hamstrings to the crown of your head. We hold a lot of resistance in our legs. This move lets it go, with gravity doing most of the work. Stand tall, feet wide, hinge at the hips and reach for the opposite toes. Keep alternating, slowly side to side. You'll feel a stretch through your hamstrings, calves, and a slight spinal twist. Did you know that 30 seconds of this move boosts blood flow to your brain by up to 14%? More energy, more clarity. Can you tap the floor each time? Do your legs feel tight? That's okay. Bend your knees slightly and breathe deeper. Your body's loose, balanced, and ready to move better all day. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy. Even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.